The new delivery of Norway's most important weapons system was an event in itself. The F-35 program is solid and mature. This is also highlighted by the fact that users have collectively accumulated more than 650,000 flight hours. More than 20,000 of these hours were on Norwegian aircraft based in Luck, Åland, and Evenes, and the program was a huge success for Norway. 12 of the aircraft remain on the Norwegian order after next week's delivery. Delivery schedules to date suggest that the next 3 aircraft will arrive in the fall. Norwegian F-35 fighters are an integral part of Norway's defense force. This aircraft is one of the most advanced and sophisticated fighter aircraft in the world today. Norway was one of the first countries in Europe to order the F-35 in 2008. They are replacing their old fleet of F-16s with F-35s to enhance their air defense capabilities. With the presence of the F-35, Norway has significantly increased their air defense capability. The aircraft plays a vital role in maintaining the security and sovereignty of Norway, and makes a strong contribution to international defense cooperation. It was doubtful that all 52 aircraft would be delivered by 2024 as previously agreed, partly due to delays in the Technical Refresh 3, TR3, hardware update. Based on the delays we have experienced and the challenges with the TR3, we expect there will be some delay in final delivery. How big that will be is difficult to say at this point. This is an ongoing process between us at JPO and Lockheed Martin, said Sorstranen. Preparations for the arrival of the F-35 have been well underway. Norway has been conducting intensive training and simulations with the F-35 to ensure their pilots are properly trained and ready to deal with any threat. They have also integrated these aircraft with their existing air defense systems, thereby enhancing the country's overall defense capabilities. The trio of fighter jets that U.S. pilots from the Defense Contract Management Agency, DCMA, will fly across the Atlantic from Texas to Trøndelag this week will actually be delivered before Christmas. But the F-35B crash at the factory in mid-December grounded all newly built aircraft for a while. Flight tests resumed in March after JPO issued instructions to update all F-135 engines addressing possible vibration issues that may have caused the crash. However, it is difficult to make up for all the lost time. Norwegian F-35s also play an important role in NATO defense cooperation. With their high capabilities, these aircraft can support and coordinate with other NATO forces in complex military operations. Norwegian F-35 aircraft also provide economic benefits for Norway. As a production partner in the F-35 program, the Norwegian defense industry is involved in the production and maintenance of this aircraft, creating jobs and economic opportunities. When the world's busiest fighter jet production line delivers nothing for a few months, it builds up a pretty solid backlog of aircraft that needs to be tested and recalled. The first F-35 deliveries were made in 2017. When F-Deliveries -35A started in Orlando in 2017, the fighters were delivered in 3 batches, one delivered in the spring and one delivered in the fall. However, in 2021 and 2022, spring shipping was pushed back to late summer. Delivery plans have been revised. The delivery of the aircraft to Åland Airport was previously carried out on Wednesday, August 24 last year. These are F-35 as numbered 35, 36, and 37 and are therefore the only aircraft Norway will receive in 2022.